guys, Gerald from Oneupreviewz, and today we've got a look at the SALOMON XA Pro 3D Adventure. Before we get into this review, guys, if you're new to our channel, remember to hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you never miss any of our latest reviews. Slap that like button, we want to see those thumbs up, and drop some love in the comment section below. We try our best to reply to every single comment thrown our way. Let's get into this. So today we've got a look at a Salomon running sneaker, and this, well, for those that don't know, Salomon are a French brand born from the mountains of the Alps, and they are the experts when it comes to outdoor hiking and any kind of exploration activities that you'll find yourself doing. Let's get into this. So today we've got a look at the XA Pro 3D Adventure in the black, red, orange and Meadowbrook colorway, and we got this in a UK size 8. It's a European 42 and it is a US men's 8.5. Let's get opening, and I mean, look at the colors. Even though you wouldn't think that orange and blue go together, it goes so well with the drop of black. Beautiful, beautiful sneakers. I mean, I've seen so many people now wearing these kind of hiking sneakers when it comes to their walks, even when they're doing exploring the city, really. And it's really nice to see that trend appear where people are wearing outdoor sneakers for the outdoors, really, obviously, but they're wearing hiking sneakers. And again, it's a great trend to see. We've seen it with so many people now since they've taken up outdoor walks in forests as a hobby. We're in the UK, there's not much to do and it rains a lot, so these kind of sneakers, they're ideal, built for the weather, and I'll run it through with you guys right now. So starting with this outsole, like most Salomon sneakers, they have a contour grip outsole. Look at that tread, look at the lug, it's built for any kind of terrain. We go along onto the midsole unit. So this midsole, it feels like it's a foam, but the most important bit of this midsole is the 3D chassis system that's incorporated here, and that is found in between the midsole and the outsole. It's there for your cushioning and it's there for your stability. As we go along more into the upper, it's a blend of meshes and other textile materials. It feels like it's rubber, but that is rubber at the toe cap, so you got protection there for your toes with this rubber toe cap. But I'm not quite sure what the other materials are that make the outlay, and it surrounds the whole sneaker. So you got the Salomon logo here in the back, and you got the model in the middle side as well. And this whole patterning, it surrounds the sneaker, as I mentioned. I really can't tell what kind of materials. It feels like it is textile to me. It feels like it's textile, but underneath that, just underneath the outlays, makes this 3D mesh system, so you've got breathability for your feet. And you go along onto the back support, and again, you've got a plastic, it's a bit more TPU here, and you've got a pull tab. Looking at the inner of the sneaker, so it's an ultralight insole unit, and the whole sneaker is a Scentsy Fit. So the Scentsy Fit is similar to like a Nike Air Huarache. It's there for you to hug your feet. It's there for the whole contours of your feet. Again, just to shape itself and give it the whole support you need. Again, we look at the inside as well, so it's an all synthetic lining. It's all mesh as well too, and running it off with the lacing system, so it's got that quick lace system. No funny business about it. You just pull it to loosen it, pull it down to tighten it, and tuck it underneath your laces, and you're good to go. Now, how easy was that? Breeze. I can't wait to try these on. I'm going to be solely wearing these to do my urban exploring whilst it's raining. It rains here a lot in the UK, but again, these are built for any kind of weather, and I'm really excited to try these on, as I've mentioned. So roll that footage of me wearing these bad boys. when it comes to the fit, guys, I do suggest you get your true to size fit, whatever that may be. I am a European 42, so the UK size 8 was a great fit. My toes, just where I need it to be, not at the very top of the sneaker. And it's surprisingly comfy. I feel really stable and like I've got my balance sorted because of this outsole. And what else more can I say? These were built for running in mud. Thanks guys for watching. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. Follow us at Oneupreviewz with the Z at the end on the Instagram. Until next time, peace.